the Sylvester date palm. I'm going to give you the caring instructions on how to care for it as the root system is getting established. Basically, you want to fill this well up once a day, preferably morning, for 3 weeks. This time of year when it's not really hot out, the best time to water it is in the morning. If it was spring, I would recommend watering this tree morning and evening for 3 weeks.
If the customer has an irrigation system, do you still recommend hand watering or just running the system regularly?
I highly recommend watering with the hose. The sprinkler system is more suited for your sod, for your smaller plants. When the sprinkler system is whacking the tree, it's actually not good for the tree. It can create dry rot, which could kill the tree. So I would recommend checking the sprinkler system after the tree is newly planted to make sure that it's not constantly whacking the tree. But to answer your question, it definitely needs to be watered by hand for 3 to 4 weeks as the root system is getting established.